Hey guys, Chad Nicely here, along with the Video Studio team. And I want to show you something that's absolutely amazing. A piece of engineering that will revolutionize the way you profit with videos right now. And without a doubt, video is the fastest way to get traffic, engage your audience, collect leads, and sell products online. Nothing comes close to the kind of results that videos are bringing to the table. And as a result, there's been a massive surge of video creation tools in the marketplace, such as VideoMaker FX, VideoMotion Pro, Explainio. And all these tools are set up to help you create videos and start profiting immediately. And right now, even if you have absolutely no experience, you too can create powerful videos in minutes using these tools. But here's the problem. You see, creating these videos and publishing them to YouTube, Vimeo, or your blog doesn't guarantee your video will get the traffic and the sales you need. And that's why a lot of people still fail miserably with video marketing. But you see, we're changing all that today. And we developed a brand new video marketing system that in a matter of minutes will automatically turn your videos into profitable assets that produce targeted traffic, fresh leads, and sales every single day. And you don't need to touch the video ever again. All you need to do is just simply plug the video into our system, set up a couple things, and fire it up, and you'll be seeing results instantly. Even better, it works on any video you want. So even if you hate creating videos, within a few clicks, you can pick up any video and use it to start generating traffic, leads, and sales all to your business. 100% legal. And it gets so much better than that. You'll also build brand new, profitable, and mega authority video sites in mere minutes with this software and tap into the power of trending videos to siphon hordes of free targeted traffic across the web. You see, once you fire up this new piece of engineering, you'll be able to take any video you want, whether you own it or not, and build a profitable video site in a matter of minutes. So you're going to position yourself as an expert and authority in your niche, go viral on social media very easily, get multiple first page rankings in a matter of hours, produce fresh traffic every single day, collect responsive leads right there inside the video, sell products, promote affiliate offers, all done in your video. It's going to help you grow your business extremely fast using the power of video. And you can get started immediately, even if you've never created a video before, even if you have no video marketing experience. Our video software automates everything. You just plug and play. And I wish this was something I had way back when. Extremely powerful. And this is going to change the way you market in 2015. Because no matter what you do online, you need targeted traffic, buyer traffic, leads, and sales. And videos are the fastest way to get them. And for the first time ever, a complete all-in-one video marketing solution will take your ordinary videos and produce profit machines faster than you can say the words profits. But the best part is we found a way to automate the whole thing. So you can fire up our machine, set up your campaign. In a matter of about 2 minutes, you'll have videos generating serious results today, starting right now, this very hour. And we call this new video marketing tool Video Studio. And I'll tell you, when you see this, matter of fact, no more talk. Let's just show you this push-button video marketing software in action. So I'm going to pass the stage over to the Video Studio team and allow them to unleash this new piece of video profit live just for you. So what are you waiting for? Lock in your access to Video Studio right now. And I'm sure you're already getting some really great ideas on what you can use this app to do. Well, and the ideas are endless. You can use your videos to establish authority and get traffic, build powerful mega video sites, get leads and grow your business fast, promote CPA offers to Amazon products, promote ClickBank, JVZoo products, other affiliate products, sell physical products, run video ads. The list goes on and on. And when you scroll down this page, you'll see real life proof of how we're using the app to crush it in our own campaigns. And honestly, we can't wait to help you get the same results. So for today only, you can lock in an exclusive 80% discount to Video Studio. And just a fair warning, when the timer below this video hits 0, well, we're going to be increasing the price. So lock in your access right now, and I'll see you on the inside.